Here's how to factory reset your Windows 10 PC or laptop without a password. So if you're at the login screen and you can't remember your password, you can reset Windows from here. So go to the bottom right of the screen and hold down the Shift key while clicking on Restart, and this will take you to the Windows Recovery menu. Select Reset My PC and choose Remove Everything. And if you don't have the password or access to your Microsoft account, if you have the internet access, you can choose Cloud Download to download the latest version of Windows. Otherwise, select Local Reinstall for a faster process. Choose whether you want to fully clean the drive or just remove your files. It's recommended to select Just Remove My Files and confirm that you're happy with your choices and select Reset. The reset process will begin, and this may take some time, so ensure that your PC stays powered on. And once the reset is complete, you'll need to go through the initial setup process. Select your region, agree to the terms and conditions, and create a login account, setting a password if desired. Your PC is now reset to its factory settings. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.